today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to add multiple accounts in your TikTok. If you've opened multiple accounts on TikTok and you'd like to add it, keep watching the video. Now, from the home screen of TikTok, go and tap on the Me button in the bottom right corner, which will open up your profile. Go to the three dots at the upper right from your profile page, scroll all the way down, and under Login you'll be able to see Switch Account tab. Tap it on, and from the expanded menu tap on Add Account. Now, if you'd like to sign up for a new account and add it on your TikTok, go ahead and sign up by using your phone or email or any other social networking sites. If you want to add an existing account, tap Login and continue login in with the options. Let me tap on the email and username option at the top. Now, you can either enter your phone number or your email or your username option. Let me tap on the email or username option and type in my email or username. Now move on to the next field and type in your password, just like you are logging into your account. Now tap on login, go through a little verification puzzle thing, and with this, you will be logged into your other account that you just added on TikTok. If you'd like to switch between the two, all you need to do is visit your profile, tap on three dots at the upper right and scroll all the way down, tap on Switch Account and select the account that you want to switch back to.